Dear students, good morning to everyone. I am Dr. Kalaivani, Assistant Professor of Commerce and Management, GFGC, Aanekal, Bangalore. Today we are going to deal a problem under step ladder method. Let me see the problem. The manufacturing company has two production departments, X and Y, three service departments, timekeeping, stores, and maintenance. The department summary showed the following expenses for the month of October. Production department X 16,000, Y 10,000. In production department, there are two departments. The total is 26,000. Service department, here there are three service department. One is timekeeping, second one is stores, third one is maintenance. Timekeeping, the expenses is 4,000, stores 5,000 and maintenance rupees 3,000. Here the total is 12,000. The total of production plus service department is 38,000. The problem is continuing. The other information is there are apportionment basis as given here. Number of employees, number of stores requisition and machine hours. Here, two production departments given and three service departments has given. The basis of apportionment, first one is number of employees. X 40, Y 30, timekeeping 20, stores 16, maintenance 10. Next, number of stores requisition 24, X, Y 20, timekeeping nil, stores nil and maintenance 6. Then machine hours 2,400, 1,600, timekeeping nil, stores nil, maintenance nil. They're asking you to allocate the expenses to various departments. Dear students, in this step ladder method, we have to follow 4 steps. One is sequence of apportionment must be chosen. Sequence of apportionment must be chosen. What is the sequence? See here. This is the basis of apportionment. How many sequences are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The base is 5. This we should take first. What is next? The number of stores requisition is next. Why? Because there are 3 portions are there, X, Y and maintenance. So we are taking the number of stores requisition after the number of employees. Third one, machine hours. Third preference to machine hours. 2,400, 1,600. Why? There are only 2 proportion to production departments. Okay. Here number of employees first we will consider. Second, number of stores required we will consider second. Then machine hours we consider third. The sequence already fixed. There is no issue. After apportioning, the first service department is taken up. See, after apportioning, this is first, this is second, this is third. This is apportionment. After apportioning, the first service department is taken. Which is the first service center? First one is timekeeping, we numbered. Second one, stores, we numbered. Maintenance, third, we numbered. Okay. Then first one, timekeeping. So first department we have to taken up under allocation the expenses on the basis of timekeeping, means on the basis of number of employees. We have to allocate timekeeping on the basis of number of employees in the ratio 40, 30, 10. 16, 10. Okay. Next, number of stores requisition. We have to use, this is the second base. We have to use for stores. stores on the basis of number of stores requisition. For X24 is to 20 is to 6. Then third one is maintenance. Maintenance 3000 on the basis of machine hours only to the production department in the ratio of 2400 plus 16,000. We have to shorten it. Okay. Then we move to the problem. See, this is secondary overhead distribution summary under step ladder method. We have to provide a column like this. First one item, second one basis of apportionment, third column production. Here there is no total column. Okay. Then we have to give production department X and Y. Then 3 service department next to the production. Timekeeping, stores, maintenance. We should be keeping order. What sequence we fixed on that sequence we have to write here. First one timekeeping, second stores, last one maintenance. Next we have to bring the balance here. What is given in the problem? According to overhead primary distribution summary, the amount has given here. Here X 16,000, Y 10,000, timekeeping 4,000, stores 5,000, maintenance 3,000. We have to brought overhead as per primary distribution summary. 16,000, 10,000, 4,000, 5,000, 3,000. We posted here. Then what is the next step? We have to take timekeeping department here. This is timekeeping department. First, we have to take timekeeping department. We have to write all the departments, service departments here. Timekeeping department, stores department, maintenance department. First, we are taking timekeeping department on the basis of number of employees. Here in timekeeping department, what is that expenses? Rupees 4,000. We have to take full amount of 4,000. Okay. Then we have to allocate to remaining department, including service department. Okay. That's all. This 4,000 allocate to other 4 departments. How we are allocating? We have the calculation. See, on the basis of number of employees, the 4,000 should be divided among X, Y, stores and maintenance. 40 is to 30 is to 16 is to 10. Total 96. 40 plus 30 plus 16 plus 10. 40 divided by 96 into 4,000, we will get 1,667 to X. Then Y, 30 divided by 96 into 4,000, we will get 1,250. We have taken 4,000 from timekeeping department. Now we are allocating. So here nil. Stores 16 divided by 96 into 4,000, we will get 667. And maintenance 10 divided by 96 into 4,000, we will get 416. We have to apportion these expenses, that is the timekeeping department expenses, apportion to the various department, that is 2 production department and 2 other service departments. This amount has posted here. See, timekeeping 1,667, 100 and 250, then 667, then 416. See, already been done, not to be charged. Already done, timekeeping department. It should not be charged again. See here, it should not be charged again. Okay, then what we give the preference next? According to the sequence, we have to take stores. So stores 5,000 plus 667. What is the total? 5,667. Okay, we have to take this. Okay, according to the proportion ratio given in the problem. See the calculation. Stores department 5,667. What is the ratio? The ratio, it is apportioned on the basis of stores requisition given in the problem. 24 is to 20 is to timekeeping nil we already taken. Stores there is stores now we are taking here stores we are taking. Okay, that is also nil. Then next maintenance department 6, that is 24 is to 20 is to 6. We have to allocate 5,667 on the basis of this ratio 24 plus 20 plus 6 is equal to here 50. Then apportionment of store expenses 24 divided by 50 into 5,667. How much we are getting? 2,720. Next Y department Y ratio 20. 20 divided by 50 into 5,667. How much we are getting? 2,267. Okay. Next timekeeping, there is no nil. Then stores, we have taken the amount from the stores here also nil. We should not give any amount here. So here is nil. Why? Because this amount only we are allocating, apportioning to all other departments. Okay, except timekeeping. Then maintenance 6 divided by 50 into 5,667. What is its apportionment? 680. That is called reallocation. Okay, or reapportion. Next, last one is last sequence maintenance expenses. Maintenance expenses. Please see here. We apportion stores department expenses here. 2,720, 2,267 and 680. We have to cancel it. Okay, by giving minus, we will cancel it. Then last one, last sequence maintenance. 3,000 plus 416, 680 will get 4,096. We have to put minus and it will be automatically cancelled. We will get nil in the total column. Okay. Then here we are taking maintenance. Taking maintenance, the cost of last service department is apportioned to only production department, not to all other service departments. Okay. Then we are taking maintenance. We'll go and see the calculation now. Maintenance expenses 3,000 plus 416 plus 680, 4,096 total. Then on the basis of machine hour rate. Then ratio 6 is to 4. Only 2 departments. Okay. Apportionment of maintenance expenses to only production department. This is the sequence. Okay. Then 6 divided by 10 into 4,096. We will arrive 2,458. Then 4 divided by 10 into 4,096. 1,636. We reallocated maintenance. Here you see only to 6 is to 4 to X and Y. This 4,096 apportion in the ratio of 6 is to 4. X 2,458 and Y 1,638. Okay. Then what is the total here? Total of X and Y, the other column will be nil. See, total of production department X 22,845. Then Y 15,155. This is the method we have to calculate the expenses and apportion the expenses under step ladder method. Okay. This step ladder method is coming under secondary overhead distribution. Okay. So see here, this is the step, how it is going now. See, this is called step ladder. Okay. We put line down, darken the line. This is the step ladder method. Okay. I refer to books M.N. Arora, Cost Accounting, Himalaya Publishing House, New Delhi, and R.G. Saha and others, Cost Accounting, Vision Book House, New Delhi. Thank you, students. Remaining, we'll see in the next class.